Okay, good people. Yes, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day and another weekend. And actually, as I've been doing for several years, I like to provide projection of the market for the coming week. So, yeah, for those who know, for those who know how to trade, I'm sure they exploit this analysis effectively. But if you don't have trading idea, you may not understand exactly what I'm doing. So mainly we had the analysis last weekend, and actually it has done well. So I will show now what happened in our Telegram channel. So people, they are doing well. So mainly I can start quickly with the monthly time frame before I share those updates from Telegram channel. So now mainly in a monthly time frame, you'll find that there is no bigger changes. Now things, they are still the same as I shared in my previous analysis, and it has been now several weeks. I've been talking the same thing in monthly time frame, so I'll not have a lot to say in monthly time frame. But if you watched my previous analysis, remember I was talking of this level here. I talked of the level down here, so say till the end of this month, we will have an exact structure of, we will have an exact direction of market in relation to this trend line. And what is mostly expected is price is going to break and move below this level here. So currently it's like respecting to the upside and what, but it is just in a short term. So that's very basic. So mainly, okay, sorry. So mainly in Telegram channel, now for those who are in Telegram channel, so yeah, now this is the channel. So every analysis is shared here. And also you see now this is like, now this is just a small video from the analysis, from the YouTube video. Yeah, so these are the trading results as I recommended last weekend, that we have basically concentrate with the buy opportunities. So too far, yes, this one. So as I said, we have to concentrate with buy opportunities. So this was a buy on Monday, 2 trades, and then we had this one on Thursday. Yeah, so this is on Thursday, and yeah, things went well like that. So what direction are we going to consider this week? So just wait as I'm breaking down the market up to 4-hour time frame. I will provide an exact direction of what is expected from Monday. Now this will be from 12th of June up to 16th of June. So that is a 5 days market move. So moving to weekly time frame, I can quickly highlight those key areas. So in weekly time frame, now previous week had a rejection. I talked about this, but I related with this level down here. I said price is mostly likely to respect this level down here. So that is very basic. And mainly this week, now you see, so we had this a sort of an indecision now previous week, and this week has some buying momentum. So this indicates that now buyers are taking control of the market around this region here. So yeah, that's very basic. So we have a bullish momentum from this indecision. So how far this is going to last, I'll share all those updates in lower time frames now. So remember, when you trade, you have to watch the fundamentals. Remember the fundamentals. So from Monday, we will have news now from Tuesday up to Friday. So Tuesday to Friday, we will have those high impact and medium impact news. So make sure that you watch the high impact news hours and mostly stay outside of the market during news hours. So that's the best recommendation I have. Okay, moving to daily time frame. Now in daily time frame, the main updates here, yeah, there are a lot to say, but mainly I can highlight key things to watch, and that's the importance of this analysis. I highlight those key areas, and then next week you have to stay within those key areas. When I point out a trend line, maybe we have to expect the price probably to turn at this level. So next week you have to watch those levels and make trading decisions based on those levels. So in daily time frame, I can talk of the level down here. We can have this level here. Now price has been respecting the level, so it has not broken it, so it is still playing above it. So that's very basic. And at this level also we see there is a sort of bullish railway track, and somehow the bullish candle is like it has engulfed this bearish candle. So but in any way, either it's a bullish railway track or it's an engulfing thing, but basically we are looking up. Now based on this formation, we're looking up. So how far are we going up? Now in 4-hour time frame, again, I'm going to present those key levels that we have to look for. But mainly nothing has changed from the previous analysis. For those who watch all the analysis now, they are sure with what I'm saying, or they remember what actually I say. So now in a new analysis, there are very, very few updates. That is, so we are looking up. How far we are going up? Let me go to 4-hour time frame. Yeah, that is. So in 4-hour time frame, you'll find that now previous week we were just around this region here. So previous weekend now. So now how market has moved, we had this push to the downside. Yeah, that was very important. Now, that was very better opportunity. Now this push to the downside, that was a very good opportunity. But I didn't trade this because it was like a counter trend. Now in this time frame, it was like a counter trend. Now in lower time frames, so what I did is I was looking for buys. So I had my buy limit down here, my buy limit somewhere here. So they were triggered, and yeah, profitably traded this move to the upside. So this push to the downside was an ABC, was an expanding ABC. So you see there was A here, B to the upside, it broken the previous swing high. Then C was very powerful to the downside. So by understanding that, I was able to capitalize in this push to the upside. So now what to look forward next? Let me explain the overall formation of this region, and then we can understand which direction we have to look from Monday, and the areas that will be taking our trading decisions. So the overall formation here, I can put trend line up here. Let me put a trend line up here, a trend line up here. So this is the overall formation I'm looking to. Now this is the overall formation I'm looking to. So it is a diagonal. I'm looking for a diagonal. So how price is going to move. So now it started here, so it went up to that level. I would consider this level up here. Then it pushed down. Now this is the second wave, an ABC. Then it pushed up. Now this is the third wave, and it confirmed. It qualified to be the third wave because it has broken above the previous swing high. Now the third wave must break the high of the first wave. So now it has qualified that, so it is above here. So currently price is pushing down in the fourth wave, so it will be completing the fifth wave to the upside next week now. So look that level down here, so it will be completing the fourth down, then the fifth to the upside. You see, the fifth to the upside, and then it will have a correction down, and finally boom to the upside. You see, so this is the overall path for the coming week. So we will have like two opportunities now, but you can take a lot because gold can give opportunities on both directions, either in a buy or in a sell. So basically, you will be buying around this region. You can now, for those who use stop orders like how I do, always I do the limit orders in most cases. So I'll have my buy limits around this region, 1950. Yeah, around 1950. It will depend on the formation because I look formation on opening of the market, so I can project how far it's going to move. Yeah, so now here will be a buy limit around 1950 or what. Actually, we'll see formation. So we'll be taking our profits not beyond this level here. So it may be around this level here, 1970 something. After taking profits there, we'll have this push to the downside. You can sell actually, you can, but it will be a short-term move, but it's okay for gold because we can capture just a very short distance, but it has a very great value on gold. Then we'll be having another buy limits around the same region. It's around the same region. Now we'll be buying again. So now this will be a powerful move up to those regions to those regions I've been presenting even in my previous analysis. So it's going to around 20 something there. It is 2020, 2015, 2018, or yeah, it's something like that. So that's how we are going to trade next week. But don't expect that maybe it's going to hit this level maybe on the same week. No, it may be even the coming week because it may take most of the time correcting here, moving down. So probably after 2 weeks, we can be up there. So that's the basic idea. So if you relate with those formations in daily time frame, formations in weekly time frame, they are showing that we are up. And I said how far we're going to move up. So it is just around this region. And why I say this region, because we have this trend line that was broken previously. So price is mostly likely to push up to this level to retest, because since it was broken, price has not done that big retest. There was just a small retest around this region here. So that's all. So thank you for your time and have a great weekend. Remember to put comment if you have any suggestion. Then you can share if you feel like the content is helpful, and also you can like, and if it's just your first time visiting this channel, you can subscribe. That's very basic. So thank you and have a good trading week now.